Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. It's really simple and easy. For this, just open up the Premiere Pro and start by creating your text. Click on the type tool and click on your preview screen. Now type in your text and go over to Essential Graphics. Here you can increase the size of your text and center it by using the align buttons. Now go over to Effects and type in crop and add it to your text layer. Under Effect Controls, click the toggle animation button next to the right and change the value to 100, which will create our starting keyframe. Now move ahead few seconds and change the value back to 0, and if you change the distance of the keyframes, it will change the speed of the animation. You can also add a sound effect here to increase the effect. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to make a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.